Welcome to my apartment, and now I make a room tour of this beautiful place. It's not an easy way to find a good apartment in Dubai. Yes, there are a lot of beautiful apartments everywhere, but there are a lot of scammers. And I'm really happy that I find a good apartment for me, for my husband. When we relocate to Dubai, we search in a good place. I think near 2 months. It's a very difficult time for us. We live in other hotels. And yes, finally we find an apartment from Colife. It's quality, it's really good, people everywhere always helping, and amazing, beautiful apartment. I love my apartment. Look at this, yeah. As for me, cooking is like meditation. That's why I'm really finding a good place for cooking. Very good washing machine, coffee machine, everywhere good plates and sunglasses everywhere, and I like this atmosphere. My guilty pleasure is PlayStation. That's why I'm really happy when I find in this apartment big screen. Big screen for playing in the night. It's amazing, and I'm happy. When I want to thinking and relaxing, I take my cup of coffee or tea and go to the balcony. Thank you for coming. Nice to see you again.